Welcome everyone, Dr. Thor here. More pyramid products, some unique ones. These we're going to all be selling in the near future. You can go to our website and check on it in the near future. They're not available yet, but some will be made available. Now, these are really cool. Now, here's a couple of ways of charging energies into these even more. And of course, if you want to clear and empower your actual amulets, your tags, of course, you can put them there as well. It's a good way to clear out your radionic amulet. Now, this is very interesting. This is a 64 pyramid square. We're not really sure what type of stone this is. But it's another powerful thing you can put on many places, used in many ways. I put these on top of bottles that I'm making of my actual herbal elixirs. I use them on top of radionic machines. You can also put these on your actual radionic machine plates. On your in plates to put more very powerful subtle energies. Now, this is, again, these are the type of things that are made in India, and these are very powerful, subtle energies. And again, this is what you need. It's not about blasting Hertzian energies through devices or radionic machines. I'm afraid that just doesn't work. That's very primitive and kind of backwards thinking. What you need to do is you need to increase the kind of energies that you're using. Now, radionic machines use subtle energies. There are thought form energies, consciousness energies, and these are the kind of things that help. Now, here's your classic metal 3-dial one that we've shown already. Now, here's a very unique carved one. And all of these, this is a beautiful one. There's no flaws in it. And guess what? At the bottom, there's 9 pyramid played. And there's a pyramid on top of it. So you can kind of place this on top of everything and you get double benefits. These are not too expensive, but they're not inexpensive either. But they're all about under $100. Probably under 60, 70. I'm not sure what the prices are right now, but you can check our website. But that's kind of nice, and you can even sit on its side here and use it to project energy into radionic machines that you have. Here's one of our classic mini machines. And you could shoot the energy into the machine. You could put it on top here. I mean, there's so many ways of using crystals, and particularly crystals that are carved into pyramid shapes. So you've got the powerful 9 grid, and you've got this pyramid on top of it. So you're getting the best of both worlds. Here's a fun one. This is made with different gemstones, and they all have their own little qualities here. So you're getting a kind of nice mixture of energy. And it's on a glass plate. Now, what they did here is they cut out these little pyramids, and then they glued them onto this nice little plate. And this plate's about 2 inches by 2 inches. And again, you use it like anything else. Pyramid energy can be mixed with everything. It's always good to charge everything up with pyramid energy. Simple as that. When you're using things like supplements and so forth, it may be difficult to sit on here. When you're doing that, you're increasing that natural pranic energy in things that allows you to, that brings the energy up. Your body takes it in better, uses it better. If it's something psychic, you're going to be energized better. This is great to take and press against your forehead for third eye work. Everybody's looking for third eye cleansing, crown chakra cleansing. Now, we do have actual cells for that, but you can also, of course, here's my head. You take this and you press it right in your third eye here. Now, this is where your third eye is. And of course, your crown chakra is on top. So it's always good to go from the third eye into the crown chakra and then back again. This creates an energetic field there. These are the real psychoenergetic areas of the human body that you have to trigger. This has been known for thousands of years and used in most traditions. You can do the same thing with this. You can press it on there. You can then put it on the top. All you do is hold it in your hand and do that. For that matter, you could hold this on the top of your head if you wanted to as well. This is fairly large. What is this? About 3 inches, 3-inch square. But it's not that heavy. And of course, you could hold it against your third eye as well. These are all ways of stimulating it. And there's no other way to do it properly. But, this is fast, interesting, easy stuff to do. All you need is to have the tools, and you can always use pyramids in a multiple of areas. It's as simple as that. So these are always highly recommended. They're fun. You can use them in many places. Put them in your refrigerator. You could even put something like this in your car and so forth, in your glove box or under the seat or whatever. That means you're gonna have protective, nice energies. As I said, refrigerators are things that people tend to overlook. Things like this can be dropped in a water jug. I have this in my water jug. So you can, where I pour my distilled water into, where I add so many other items there. But these are, just putting in a clear quartz tip, those are generally inexpensive and okay, but when you get them carved like this, you've got something really special, and there's lots of different carved designs we're going to be offering soon. This happens to be a really fine specimen here because it's perfect. There's no problems with this, no cracks, no anything else. And I bought these years ago, but these are some of the little gems you pick up, and when they're available, you should grab them. Crystals are getting rarer and rarer, and the prices of them are going up and up. So it is something that you should be aware of and grab while you can. That's what life's all about. So hope you've enjoyed this. More to come.